Hey everyone, Carter Heiser, owner of Autorama Auto Sales here in Dickinson, North Dakota, AutoramaAuto.com. Let me show you this 2018 Ford F-150 Lariat. It has the 501A mid package on it, chrome package. This truck is a one owner. I bought it from the original owner. Clear Carfax, no accidents. Passed our 101 point inspection process, no problem. We're going to buy you 12-month, 12,000 mile powertrain warranty. That's upgradable very reasonably. It's good nationwide. Yeah, ruby red, two-tone, black leather interior, heated seats, cooled seats, navigation, push start, automatic 4x4, 36-gallon tank. You don't find that in a lot of these short boxes. Never had a ball, never had a plate. The Cooper Discovery AT3s are 75% there. It's got the Pro trailering package on it, so you can back it up using the dial. Yeah, just a really nice clean pickup. I put about 500 miles on it myself. It has the Bliss system. You name it, it's got a lot of nice equipment. Came from a great home. It was his car. Seated Autorama Auto Sales here in Dickinson, North Dakota. AutoramaAuto.com. And you know, we're the dealership without the outrageous hidden fees.